So let's see what's going on here, right? Let's see what's going on here, right? This is a mad scene. Nothing will be able to move for about the next hour or so, right? Nothing will be able to be moved for the next hour or so. There's already actually taking place on the highway here right now. This is a mad and a sad day in Trinidad. See what's going there? See what's going on with that traffic. Might be done hitting tongue already. It's a mad day and sad day in Trinidad. This traffic is real traffic. If you wanna see traffic, watch something. This is what it is called traffic jam. This is what it is called gridlock. Nothing now move. Nothing. Now there's traffic different right now. Yeah, traffic done reach Grand Bazaar, all back down to Battery on the highway. Yeah, but I'm telling you, it stink. This is a mad kind of traffic. I'm sure they were really going on out there. Everybody who had to go to work for a certain time, right? Sorry to say, but this is a madness. Sorry for the people who passed away and who was in that accident. Bumper to bumper traffic.